In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix the issue of Snapchat sound not working on your phone. If you are experiencing this problem, don't worry, as there are a few simple troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve it. To get started, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to access the control center. Then increase the device volume. After that, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit and tap Sounds and Haptics. Then move this slider all the way to the right side. This will increase the ringtone and alert sound. And then you also need to toggle on the switch next to the Change with Buttons option. If these steps do not fix the problem, go back to the main settings page and scroll down until you see Snapchat. Then toggle on the switch next to the microphone option. If this is turned off, you won't be able to record sounds. Once you've done that, tap on the Notifications option. Then toggle on this switch to enable notifications. Then toggle on the switch next to the Sounds option. What you want to do next is go back to the main settings page and scroll up. Tap General. Then tap iPhone Storage. And then scroll down this list of apps and find and tap on the Snapchat app. Then tap Offload app. When you offload the app, it removes the app from your device but keeps your documents and data intact. Then tap Reinstall app. Reinstalling it ensures you get a fresh copy of the app, potentially resolving any bugs or glitches causing the sound problem. This process can reset any corrupted audio settings and help re-establish proper audio functions within Snapchat. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.